so excited. I have a 1-bed, 1-bath condo at Calypso for you. It overlooks the pier, the water, and it's so modern coastal. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go. Welcome in. And do you recognize this backdrop? Yep, it's Runaway Island. You've even got the photography of local flavor. Can you believe? Just imagine yourself sitting right here and all you see is that beautiful water and sunshine. This condo is a vibe. Look at all of the details, the gold, the wallpaper, the shiplap. Love this modern twist. You've got your bunks in your second bedroom all the way into the main one. So this ensuite is perfect too. You've got plenty of space and it overlooks Topgolf. Listing details in the description below, so check it out for yourself. And don't forget to call me any questions you have about this property or anywhere else on the Emerald Coast. See you later.